Good morning. Good morning. Choo, choo, choo. All right. It is Thursday, April 25th. Good morning. Good morning. All right. It's 9:39. Sorry, I'm a little late. NQ early already hit. NQ night also hit. And ES night hit. So let's go. Can you share the link in the group, Jen? Seems a little... I'm going to try to tap. I'm walking, so it's a little harder. All right, I just sent like some out, but it's Thursday. We already had a nice drop. I had to do the student call early this morning, but if folks were paying attention during that 8:30 report, or actually there wasn't an 8:30 report. I wonder if that was like earnings. It will probably be next week. All right, I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube.
Order submitted.
Oh, GDP was. Okay, got it. So I'll be live until 10:30. And then, yeah, Jen will be live this afternoon from 2 to 3. Scalpers and a long. Let's see how that plays out. That's the one on the top. Again, that's part of the standard package. The stop loss is only $200. Hey, Kyle. I am getting so excited
Order
for
filled.
Vegas. All right, it wants to continue moving down. That's fine with me. Click that thumbs up for sure. I could do that by June, honestly. What's up, Andon? Make a choice, funky NASDAQ, up or down? Well, again, it's Thursday. There's a lot. There was a huge, big earnings yesterday. But we're not taking along here anyway, Andon. So we're not engaging in that. Either you got the short or you didn't. This was the student play. So this was at 8:30. I posted my student call at 7:30, something like that, 7:15, maybe even that early. And anyway, it played out. 325 was one of my levels. So congrats to anyone that got that pre-market. Thank you for sharing the link, Kyle. Magic line is at 370, so we'll see. We'll see about that.
Order submitted.
If you want more information on the algorithms, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The sale for... I gotta grab my little thing. The sale for Apex ends on Tuesday. So make sure if you want to get some Apex accounts, you want to grab a few more Apex accounts, you do it by Tuesday. They're having an 80% sale. And it ends
Order
on Tuesday.
submitted.
So, order submitted. Santa is back in the long. Green, $100. Remember, the stop loss is only $200 on this setup. People really like that. And you can usually grab a few $100s pretty quickly. Oracle's in a trade. So NQ early already hit, NQ night hit, and ES night hit. So 3 for 3 so far on the day. 150 here on this Santa long. It did have one loss already though for $200. Ooh, ES London. Who was anyone listening when I said that? It made $725. It's a green day today.
Order filled.
Exploited. That's all right. Cool. What was your TP?
Order submitted.
Like exactly where did I hit?
Order submitted.
Like specifically? Hold on, I'll grab it in a second. Let me see.
Order canceled. Order filled.
We're in a long now. 17309.25. Very close to the bottom of that wick there. This is why some people will even lower their targets. I don't. I leave it for whatever it is in the spreadsheet. But some people will do that. We're in this long now. See if we can get this. So MNQ can be different, guys. Can have different
Target filled.
entries.
Order submitted.
All right, and NQ early is 2 for 2 now. So yeah, could you have missed the short because it probably only went like another tick or two down for sure. But that second one just hit the long target. And that's why some people will lower their targets. For NQ early, they really want to hit that. So instead of what our target is, they might lower it 2 or 3 ticks. Because especially if you're using Rhythmic historically has a shittier fill process than Trade Evade or a cash account. So we just kind of have to keep that in consideration sometimes. Which I know sucks. Like that's not ideal, but it's true. Also, if you're running too many things, that could slow it down.
Order
it's
submitted.
Not a loss, Micro. It's a loss, and I hear you. You said that above.
Order submitted. Order filled.
MNQ also can trade.
Order submitted.
Differently. All right, so NQ night 1 for 1, ES night 1 for 1, NQ early 2 for 2, ES early. Oh, ES early hit 2. ES early also hit.
Order
Trade
submitted.
Trade Evade is a much better option. I have said this for months. Trade Evade is the better of the two, and that's why you're gonna pay slightly more, like $1 or $2 more. Have system-wide issues. Alright, I don't know why I keep saying I apologize. ES night 1 for 1, NQ night 1 for 1, ES early 1 for 1, and then NQ early 2 for 2. Remember, this is on a cash account, so those fills could also be a little different, but nice, Kyle. Did anyone see that ES information? Good morning. Yeah, well, it's not that super clicky one anymore. I upgraded. Cody, I don't know what that means. Oh, you're saying, well, the $1,500... That $1,500 is for the platform. That has nothing to do, but you didn't need to get that if you're using a funded account, because they essentially cover that for you. Good job, Kyle. Right up to my daily level. Right to a level. Like,
Order
I don't have
canceled.
that many levels here. Don't have that many levels. But both of them have come into play. This daily level and this weekly level. Oops. Oopsies. When I'm walking, it's so hard to draw.
Order submitted.
Cool. Oh, perfect. Thank you, Amy. That's super helpful. I need to drink some of this water. This isn't a long. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithm on the futures market.
Order filled. Order
Oh,
submitted.
you see that fake? Do you see that fake? Santa's in a short. I like this.
Order filled.
Oh, there is a 10 o'clock report, and it's 9:50. So let's make sure we are aware of the time. Be careful. How do you switch it off in connections? Switch what off?
Exercise rate closed.
Order filled. Order
Cameron said
submitted.
he took the 1 NQ early and then turned it off. Good morning, Ray. What's up? What's up? Oh, 59
Order
roses.
submitted.
Pace 20 minutes.
Thank you so
12
much.
seconds per mile.
Order submitted.
I'm telling Jen she needs to come to Vegas. Yes, I'm aware of that.
Order filled.
So this is how premium and the mentorship can really elevate your wins and your profits. Because, well, I wonder if I should squeeze it a little bit. Because I gave this information to premium at 7:15 in the morning, and that ES trade made $725. I'm going to take a picture of both of those things. That, and then this. Alright, cool. If you have any questions, just put them in the chat. How the hell does what? VPS is required. No, you do not need the NinjaTrader platform if you're using Apex. You only pay for the NinjaTrader platform if you have a cash account. They do not do refunds. No, I would email the VPS support. They're really good. You know, every now and then something might come up, but they're really good.
Order canceled.
All right. My connection on YouTube is acting like it wasn't good. Is it okay now? Stream settings, excellent connection. Okay, cool. Sorry, I'm typing in the group. Yeah, so I don't discuss time frames, but that's all covered when you join the group. If you want more information, just email me. BoldBot@gmail.com. We trade the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. Good job, Jen. Alright, perfect. Alright, Ralph, that sounds good. Alright, oh yeah, I was posting this. Even if you were not running ES London, you could have entered short
Order canceled.
this drop made.
Order submitted.
One mini. $725. Stacking your, what would the word be? Thanks for liking the live, Jen. Danny, are you liking the live or are you just sitting there? Danny, when are you joining? I keep forgetting because the time just keeps being extended further and further. The sale for Apex ends on Tuesday. Last time your excuse was, oh, I have to wait until they have a sale. Well, they've had a sale for the whole month of April. The least
Order canceled.
you can do is tap. That's like the minimum support that could be given. All right. I'm going to be stacking your.
Order submitted.
And student. There may be really good. Alright, cool. Nice job, Andon. I'm proud of you. And again, if you guys have too many things running or you have so many accounts all trading on the same thing, then that could also affect your entry. It really goes back to, hey Irma, it just goes back to your system being overloaded, so you might want to look into getting a bigger VPS.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright. Yeah, GA is using trade rate. Nice job, Rick. Awesome day. Take the money and run for sure. Alright, it is 10 o'clock. Nice rejection there. There's a report that came out. Yeah, that's probably what it was, GA, honestly. Yeah, because mine hit and then it probably went 2 ticks lower before it turned around. So I think you're right.
Order canceled.
Platinum. Ooh, R2Y, $450. Very nice. Or did I leave it on the one? Oh no, I took it off. Good, good, good. Look at that. Move back. Really nice. Same thing here. I don't mind taking one. I'll probably wait on that. I'm just like talking out loud, clearly. Alright, RTY Oracle made $450. I have these that I want to give to the premium members. I just haven't released it yet because I want to make sure that they're good. Alright, put this in premium.
Order submitted.
It is 10:03. I'll probably stay on here until 10:15, 10:20. And then I will wrap it up. No, you don't need a paid membership in Ninja unless you're using a cash account. When you use a funded account with Apex or Lilu or Take Profit or OneUp, they
Order filled.
cover the fee that NinjaTrader will typically charge. That's the whole point of you pay for the funded subscription.
Order
Nice
submitted.
job, Savannah. 200 and out. I love it. Stick to your goals. You'll be flying high in no time. Have you already updated
Order
Ninja?
submitted.
I've heard it. Yeah, there's always bugs when NinjaTrader has a new version that comes out. I never ever update NinjaTrader until it's been like a month. Because I want those bugs to get figured out. I don't feel like having issues. And there's no reason that you really need to update anything like that right away. Even like with the iPhone. I don't update my iPhone when it comes away.
Order submitted.
And that's why Irma put that message out there in the regular chat and in the announcements to not update. You can always revert back if you start to see issues. Unless you had multiple and they had different entries. Okay, cool. It's 10:06. Nope. Can I contact Trade Evade and Arithmetic accounts to Ninja? Oh, yes, you can. But James, that goes here. You can connect both Rhythmic and Trade Evade because they have two different connections accounts at the same time under one Ninja platform. However, you are still limited to the 20 accounts total. 20 PA accounts total. Like you can't have 20 PAs with the Trade Evade connection and then 20 PAs with a Rhythmic connection. So you can only have 20 total, but yes, you can connect. All right, cool. Thanks for the thumbs up on YouTube. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Sure thing, James. Okay, I'm done. Going running. Have fun. You'll be live from 3 to 5,
Order
right? Well,
canceled.
I'm sure you will. Oh, we're in a $400 trade on Scalper. $400 long on Scalper. It is red 400 on the day so far. Because remember, each loss is $200. But see if it can get in the green here. It's 10:10. I'm going to wrap it up in a few minutes. Did another 3 miles. I was feeling tired yesterday. Maybe I should. I've never taken a pre-workout, but I bought one. Like, I bought one of those powdered pre-workouts that I guess you mix with water. And I've never taken it just because I'm like nervous to do so. And I like haven't really felt like I've needed it. But yesterday I was really tired. Probably because I had already walked, I don't know, 6 miles before I went to pickleball. And so when I was at pickleball, I just kind of felt like I needed an energy boost. All right, green 615 on this long. This is putting Santa in the green and now on the day. So again, you could take this stop loss and move it up whenever you want. I'm not doing that. I just leave it 100% hands-free, and those are the results. Sorry.
Order submitted.
Green, $755 on this long now. Let's go, Santa. $775. So these green lines that you see, the green and red lines, they are my active trail. So even though my stop loss itself, the purple line, is not moving up, the trail is active, and it will exit my trade if the price moves below and both of those lines turn red. Green, $900 on this long now. $900. $1,000 on this Santa long. You had to be a little patient though, because it was red $400 before this trade. So that's where kind of things, sometimes people will have a hard time. Because they'll be like, oh, I don't know, I'm scared. So then take it in micros, or use your
Order canceled.
Replicento copier and do a cross order to the micro version instead of using the actual micro chart, because that can give you different data. $1,000 on this. And it's still going, so. Again, you could close it at any point. You could take your profit at any point. It is red, like the strategy itself is red 400 on the day, but then it's in this $1,000 trade. So if you closed it here, you're green 600 on the day. After 3 trades. Oh, maybe like 6 or 7 actually. I had a few offsets and then a few losses. Let's see. Looks like it wants to keep running. $1,100, $1,150. Good. I'm glad you're learning a lot. Almost $1,200 here on the mini, one mini.
Split 2. Split pace. 20 minutes. 29 seconds per mile.
20 minutes. I like walking a 20-minute mile. Like. Oh, that's my walking pad. Yeah, the background noise is I'm walking on a treadmill. Sorry, Tina. I've been doing it like the last few days because, you know, Vegas is coming up. I'm like, I could be a little bit more active. Even though I play pickleball every day, and that's a great workout, instead of just sitting here during my lives, it's much healthier to just do a little bit of walking. So like on this, I've already done 3 miles, and then I did, I don't know, maybe 2 miles earlier today when I was doing my student call. So, yeah, that's the noise. Sorry if it's not super appealing, but make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on both YouTube and TikTok. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Still in this long of Santa on the NASDAQ. It's been in this long since 10:04 a.m. Green at $1,200 now. Again, you could have closed it at 1,000, closed it at 1,200.
Order submitted.
And then you'd be green $800 on the day with one contract, risking 200. The worst drawdown today was $400.
Order canceled.
All right, still going, almost 1,300 now. On one If you want more information about this algorithm, which is Scalper, or any of my others, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So essentially $1,300 so far on this one trade. And again, you could run this in micros. It's almost at $1,400 now. You could run this on micros where you're risking $20, $40. Say you take 2 micros, you're risking $40. And this $1,300 trade is $260. So you're green $260. And like some people might say, oh, $200 doesn't sound like a lot of money. But when you have 10 or 20 Apex accounts, it really adds up. It just stacks and stacks. All right, so if these both turn red here, then it's going to close the trade. And see, the trade is now closed. Green $600, no touching on Santa at all this morning with 1 contract. And one mini. But again, you could do that with 2 micros and you're green $120 on the day, which isn't like $1 million. That $100 across 10 accounts
Order submitted.
is $1,000 in one day. Or $100 across 20 accounts is $2,000 in one day. And now it's in another trade, green $130. The gap was already filled, but maybe you're talking about something else. I don't know. All right, it's 10:17. I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for joining. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. Jen will be live later today on TikTok only. BoldBot_just Jen with 2 N's, JENN, from 2 to 3 p.m. And then Will, Mr. H Trades, will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. So we got a lot of good content for you. If I'm bored later tonight, maybe I'll go live and just kind of hang out. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for the likes. Danny, I don't know if you even liked this live. You know, I have I wonder if I could. Okay, hi. Look how, looks so different with this filter on. All right, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. I need to keep walking. I'm gonna go play pickleball. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Santa's in another $500 long. Damn. So if you didn't turn it off, you're now in a $500 long after that $1,300 long. This is nice. I already got off of TikTok, but this is a really nice move. So that's $1,100 on the day. With 1 mini, if you had 2 micros, that's $220. Risking $40 a trade. Like, so easy. Take your money when you're happy, be done. All right, I'm going to wrap it up, YouTube. Have a good day.